Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL NxtPaper 10s and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings. And here we have to scroll in order to find the sound section, so let's tap on it. Now let's scroll, and as you can see here we've got whole ringtone section, and we can change the ringtone for the notifications and the alarms. And so let me change it, for example, for the notifications. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, after tapping we've been immediately transferred to the list of defaultly installed notification ringtones from which we can choose. We do not have a lot of them, but still. At the top we've got the option custom ringtone, which simply means that after picking it you will be transferred to your own files. So if you will have any, for example, downloaded, they will appear right there in the music or file manager, and you will be able to pick them and set them as a ringtone. What's more, on the other hand, here you've got the option none, and it simply means that after picking it your device will not use the sound feedback to notify you about the notification. So if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, all you have to do is to simply tap on it, and you will be able to check which one you like the most. And if you're happy with your choice, so for example this one in my case, this shimmer option, just make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen ringtone. So actually this is it. This is how to change the ringtone in your TCL NxtPaper 10s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.